ABC train, riding letters down the lane. Clickety-clack, we're on our way, learning letters every day. I's for apple, red and sweet. B is for boots on little feet. C is for cat with a curly tail. D is for dog who loves to wail. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swim and play. G is for goat with a funny bleat. H is for hat you wear in heat. I is for igloo made of ice. J is for jam on toast so nice. K is for kite flying so high. L is for lion with a roar and a sigh. M is for moon glowing at night. N is for nest tucked out of sight. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for panda munching on a tree. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rabbit hopping around. S is for star that twinkles bright. T is for train chugging into the night. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van driving down the lane. W is for whale swimming with grace. X is for xylophone with a musical face. Y is for yo-yo spinning just right. Z is for zebra with stripes of black and white. Now we've sung the ABC. Come back soon and sing with me. The ABC train has reached the end, but every letter's now your friend. Sing it loud and sing it true. The alphabet is fun with you.